Hello, my dear student. During this lockdown period, we are going to start online classes for betterment of you all. Today, we start a new lesson of computer, that is chapter number 2, page number 13. And the name of the lesson is Appearance of Windows. But first, we can discuss what do you know about Windows. So Windows is the most popular operating system. Whenever a computer is switched on, Windows get loaded in its memory. The Windows operating system is very much user friendly. In Windows desktop, it shows a number of pictorial symbols on it, and these are called icons. So in a desktop, we can see the different type of icons. Example, my computer, recycle bin, Internet Explorer, my document, etc. So there have been many versions of Windows, such as Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and nowadays our latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Okay, now we discuss how to manage your work in Windows using file and folder, and how to changing window background, screensaver, etc. Now we see about what is background. So background property is used to change the pattern or picture of the main screen. Background is a digital image used as a decorative background of a graphical user interface on the screen of a computer or other electronic device. Suppose in our real life we change our room in our houses. We do this by changing the color of the walls or by changing the curtains. The same way in Windows, we change the desktop background to make it attractive and colorful. Now see how to change the background of the desktop. Here we can show the different type of sheet. First we see number 1, click on Start button. Next we click on Control panel, which is located on the right side of the Start menu. The Control panel will appear. Next we click on Appearance and Personalize category. Next you can select your desired background. Or another step, how to change the desktop background. So next, first one, you can right click anywhere on the desktop. A contact menu will appear. Next we click on Personalize option. The personalized window will appear. Next we click on Desktop background. The desktop background setting window will appear. Now you can click on Save Change to save the changes to have your made. Okay, so this is the step you can change the background to your desktop. Now we see what is screensaver. Okay, so all we know about screensaver. So first we see that screensaver is a program which display a preset pattern when a computer is switched on but not in active use. Screensaver disappear at the click of a mouse or by pressing a key on the keyboard. To changing a screensaver, we can use following step. First, we right click anywhere on the desktop. The contact menu will appear. Next, we click on Personalize option. The personalized window will appear. Next, we click on Screensaver. The screensaver setting window will appear. Next, under the screensaver drop down list, click on the screensaver which you want to use. In the wait field, set the number of minutes of activity before the screensaver start. Now you click on apply. Next you click on preview to see the chosen screensaver. Now you can click on OK. Windows 7 will set your screensaver. Okay, so another one step, how to clear a screensaver. To clear a screensaver, you move your mouse or press any key. And this is the method to select the screensaver. Now see about what is a shortcut. How to shortcut a desktop. The shortcut is a quick way to start a program or open a file or a folder without going to its original location in the drive. The shortcuts are useful for programs, files, folders, etc., which are used frequently. There are two steps to shortcut the desktop. First one, you can click on the file or the folder for which you want to create a shortcut. Next, on the file menu, you can click on create shortcut. Copy the shortcut icon on the desktop. So another method to follow the shortcut. First one, you can right click on the desktop. A contact menu will appear. Next, click on new option. A submenu will appear. Click on shortcut option. The create shortcut dialog box will appear. Type in the location of the item to which you want to create a shortcut, or you can browse the location, select the desired item. Now you click on next. The next create shortcut dialog box will appear. Now type in new name. Click on finish. Windows 7 will create the shortcut on desktop. Okay, so today we discuss about what is window, what is screensaver, how to change the background. Okay, today we complete our class. So next class we can discuss another topic. Take care. Thank you.